Hey, what is up, everyone? Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in Michigan. So, first, in your Google search bar, just search for Michigan driver license. And from here, we're just going to click on this link that says license and ID information. So, from here, we're just going to scroll down. And from here, you can choose from the services options. So we're just going to choose first time license or ID and scroll down once again. So here are the ways in which you can get your driver's license. So you can do it online by mail or self-service station, but it is currently unavailable. The only option available is through office visit. So to start, we're just going to scroll to the steps in getting your first time Michigan license or ID. First is, of course, you're going to need to gather all your required documents. It could be your proof of identity, your birth certificate or passport, your social security number, legal presence, and proof of your residency. Then next, we're just going to pre-apply for license or ID online. And all you have to do is click on this link. And from the link, we're just going to click on schedule a visit, then click on driver. And of course, we're going to choose first time driver's license. And from here, all you have to do is fill in all the required fields and just fill in all the details being asked and proceed with your pre application. The next is visit a Secretary of State office. And from there, you're just going to present all the required documents that you bring with you and you will take a photo. Those applying for a license must complete a vision exam, and if you are 18 or older and applying for a first time license, you'll also take the driver knowledge exam during your visit. And if you're applying for a first time license, pass and complete additional requirements. Drivers under 18, after your office visit, you're going to complete and pass segment 2 of driver's education and on road driver skills test. And you can visit this link to know more information. And now for drivers 18 and older, upon passing the driver knowledge exam at your office visit, practice driving with a licensed adult for at least 30 days before completing and passing the driving skills test. You can also visit this link for more information. So once you're done taking all the tests and you pass, you should then be able to get your driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!